Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adobe Premiere Pro to create multicam sequences step by step clearly. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your Adobe account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Adobe website. Once logged in, create a new project by clicking on New Project. Name your project and choose the desired location for your files. Click OK to open the project workspace. Import your video clips by going to the Media browser. Locate your media files and drag them into the project panel. Now, select all the clips you wish to use for your multicam sequence. Right-click on the selected clips and choose Create Multicam Source Sequence. In the dialog box, choose the synchronization option that best fits your footage. Common options include audio or timecode. Click OK to generate the multicam source sequence. Your multicam sequence will now appear in your project panel. Drag the multicam sequence onto your timeline. To enable multicam editing, right-click on the sequence in the timeline and select Enable. Now, go to the Program Monitor and click on the button to switch to Multicam View. You will see all angles of your clips displayed simultaneously. Play the sequence to start viewing your footage. As the sequence plays, switch between camera angles by clicking on the desired view. You can refine your edits as needed by adjusting the cuts. Once you're satisfied, proceed to export your final video. Go to File, then select Export, and choose Media. Set your export settings and click Export to finalize your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.